first of all, what I'm gonna do is have this problem where one of the lights is out here on the right side, so it doesn't work. It's not gonna be the bulb because I changed it like half a year ago. I'm pretty sure it's actually just the relay in the CEM box. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna remove these screws here, and I'm basically gonna take this panel down, and the box is gonna be right inside here. Okay, so all the screws are undone. I think it's just gonna be to pull it down just like that. So here is the CEM, Central Electronic Module. So let's see, remove the key. And then on the other side should be to just remove these connectors like so, just push on the other side just like that. I think it's stuck in place by something. Perhaps it's, yeah, I think it's these two screws here, right here. So this screw right there and this screw right here. So you're just gonna undo those. The screws are removed. Let's see if we can get it out. Okay, so there was a fourth connection, as you can see right here. But I don't think that is what holding it in. I mean, it's just tight, not a lot of space. All right, here we go. Here it is. So it's 4 connections on this one, and then there was supposed. Oh yeah, there's a screw under this cover that we're gonna take off and then unscrew. So we'll go ahead and do that. Okay, so we have the CEM right here, and then we have these are the relays that I bought. So this is actually like a kit for it. And so yeah, I bought it off a website. I'll probably link it down below. So these are like Omron. I don't know what kind of numbers you're supposed to say, but 12 volt DC, 16 amperes, and then 250 volts AC. Yeah. So what we're gonna start with is the CEM. So we're gonna peel off this tape right here. I'm just using a sharp knife to do it carefully. Okay, so there we go. Get a screwdriver. There we go. And then you have these kind of flaps. So I think we want to try to push them down, I guess. Not entirely sure how it's supposed to be done. But we'll learn as we go. Okay, so I'm actually watching that tutorial here on the computer, but it just says to bend away the clips and pull away from the bottom of the CEM, but I think the clips are gonna be way harder to just, you know, bend away. They're not really budging at all, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, that's way easy. Oop, well, that just broke. Okay, well, one clip down then, I guess. Okay, so I got on this, I don't know how well you can see, but I got on this undone. Well, this one broke, and so I'm just trying to carefully pry this lid open more without breaking something again. But I mean, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but it's like, you can see it's like breaking. I don't know, starting to break. This was way harder than I thought. Getting it out from the car was the easy part, but this, oh my god. Okay, there we go. All right, so it's off. So it's these two that are gonna get replaced with these. So like that. Okay, so it comes off just like that. Perfect. So I guess we'll get this to, so I'm not actually going to solder this. I'm gonna take this to my dad's job. There's a guy working there who's been soldering for like 20 years. So I'm just gonna let him do it. Pay him in a pizza or something for the help. I mean, this is nothing for him. He said this is gonna take like 5 minutes. So yeah, I think we'll just cut to that.
Första.
Super.
Det var den första vi lät på.
Okay, so I have the board right here, and the new relays are in. They're looking really nice. He did a super fantastic job on them, so it looks fabulous. So let's plug it in and see if it works. Hopefully it does. Hopefully this was the issue. Okay, so it's all plugged in. Let's see if it works. Bam. Okay. So, fuck, that sucks so bad. Yeah, you can't really see it, but it's lighting up over here. But then over here, it's not lighting up at all. So that wasn't the issue. Damn, that sucks. Yeah, it's whatever. Perhaps it's the bulb or something that is broken in there. Maybe it is. Okay, so I did a close inspection, and I don't know how well the camera will pick it up, but right there you have like melted plastic. And I don't know how well the camera will pick it up, but there's like debris in there right under the lamp, the xenon lamp. And yeah, you're definitely not gonna be able to see it, but the glass on the xenon is actually broken. So it's actually the lamp that's broken. When you come over here, you don't see anything like that. You can more see, like, nothing's like burnt on the metal. It's actually burnt metal over here. So that sucks. So, but I guess it's just to switch out the lamp and then it's fine. The xenon lights. So I think that will be for another day actually. I'll not be doing that now today. So that sucks, but it's whatever.